Hi everyone, it's Mallory Walker here at Sierra Interactive. Now, we're continuing busy season, and that means we're going to continue spotlighting some quick hit features for you guys. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and search homes here, and I'm going to pull up this listing. So let's imagine a scenario where I have an open house at this listing on Mobley Mill Road in Kentucky. I want to make sure that every single person that comes through that door, I get their contact information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to this URL. I'm going to take away any of this SRC stuff. I'm just going to type open house. What this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and form gate this page for me, right? It's going to allow anyone who comes in to sign up. I'm going to say, please sign in. They're going to give me their information, and they are going to be added as a new lead in the CRM, and they are going to be routed according to established lead routing rules. That's right, you guys. They're going to come in. They're going to be tagged, applied e-alerts, fully automated action plans, agent assignment for my already established lead routing rules. So all I have to do is just create this page. Now, if I want to make sure that they are tagged as like a buyer lead or a seller lead, I can come in here and I can put buyer dash open house. And this is the same form that you saw then, but it is going to send it through as a buyer lead. Now, if I want it as a seller lead, I can type in neighbor. And you can see these questions are going to change because these are going to be seller specific, like do you want to receive market updates and things of that nature. So I'm going to be able to utilize this. But what if you want a QR code, right? Think touchless sign in. You can do that too. So I'm going to go back to our original open house, but I'm going to do QR this time. So I'm going to type in QR dash open house, and it's going to give me a QR code that I can utilize across so many mediums, you guys, right? I can have this on a laptop. I can have it on a tablet. I could even have it on a cell phone if I wanted to. For people to scan the QR code off of, right? But think signage in the yard, marketing, mailers, you guys, the list goes on to be able to market your listings. Now, the same thing goes for this one. If you want it buyer specific, you can do QR-buyer-open house. Now, on this, you're not going to see really anything change like you did on the other one. Like when we typed in neighbor, we saw the questions change. Obviously that is not going to show on the QR code, but it is still going to make sure that the lead type is a seller lead or a buyer lead. So as you can see, it's all branded here with your brand colors. You guys, this is a quick hit feature. It takes less than a minute to set it up. If that is the sign in you would like for an open house, please utilize this, generate all of those leads that you're working hard for, and let us know if you have any questions. As always, happy busy season.